Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. A very exciting video because I'm going to talk about ticker symbol BFRI. And if you look at the price, you can see it was up by 22% today. Look at the chart. After 3:30, something happened, some news came, lots of volume came, this thing popped up all the way, came down, trying to make a recovery again. It is down a little bit after hours, but this is okay. 22% up, 7% down, and we are expecting maybe some news tomorrow morning, so it might get even more volume it can run. This thing also has a very high short interest, so very exciting. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about what's the news, why people are so excited. At the same time, some important support, resistance, the chart if you want to make some day trading, swing trading, at the same time, other important information. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to like this particular video, subscribe my channel for more regular update. At the same time, I have a Patreon community. Join my community, let's make some money. I talked about RELI during weekend on one video. It did really good. Even our Discord members, they know we alerted today to get in around 6.7 this area, right? And it moved all the way to 27%. Another was HOUR hour. Some members also made like almost 50% profit from here to there. So trading in a community is always fun. Even for BFRI, like when the news came, Ashik, one of our Discord member, human, so he shared and some of the members jumped in, they made some money. Trading in a community works better because you have other people, they can bring news, they can bring plays, so it is always fun. Give a try. I have a Patreon community. Become a member through this Patreon, get access to my Discord for pre-market market hour, support resistance based chart and news so that we can all make some money. No Discord, it is also okay. You can join my YouTube community. Okay, let's go back to the chart. So very exciting. When the news came, this thing moved all the way from here to here, almost 23% profit, right? Came down, tried to went up again. It has been going sideways. Not a bad thing. I will talk about the chart again, but before that I want to show you something else. The current price is around $6. Look at Nasdaq. It has a strong buy rating. Only one name, Roth Capital, has a $11 price target. Over the social media, I found some posts they're saying Morgan Stanley came with $22 price target. So I don't know because I don't see any link or anything. So I don't want to hype anything, but this is what I can see. So this is what I'm presenting to you. In terms of volume, the average volume was 24 million and today's volume was less, and I bet all the volume came end of the day. If you look at the chart, you see all the volume came end of the day. Okay, the big thing, right? So on December 2nd, they talked about one thing, that USPTO, right? So United States Patent and Trademark Office has issued a notice of allowance for the US patent application number this title illumination for photodynamic therapy, and that patent will come tomorrow. That's the big news, right? So there is a website, you can go there, you can read it. But anyway, you can also look at Benzinga. So the shares spiked to session high following circulation of US Patent and Trademark Office Doc 4 CO's high DC voltage to low DC voltage conversation, and blah blah blah. And one of the Twitter posts, like I just found, like it talks about, I saw the date here, right? So 11th of January 2022, that's the issue date. So this is why people are so excited. The news will come tomorrow, the patent will come tomorrow, and people were just doing some buying before that it flies. Okay. And a few other things. On January 10th, which is today, they also came up with a PR this morning that they announced participation in two conference in January. So 14th to 19th one conference, the other one is 24 to 28. So always these are some kind of good catalyst for a stock. At the same time, look at the volume here. In terms of volume, nothing is happening. We had some nice volume, nice pop-up, but now the volume almost died. If we get more volume today, if more volume like 30 or 50 million, definitely there will be a nice spike. In terms of short interest, 18.46, dark pool short interest 50%, not bad, not bad. In terms of short share availability, only 2000 share, nothing. Also, if I go to tweet, I see some other things, short squeeze, so many channels. So they're talking about or text showing cost to borrow is around 317% with utilization 99.9%. So whenever something has a 100% utilization, it means no shares available to borrow. So it means we are very close. The free float on loan is 36%. Anyway, so let's go back to the chart because this is the most exciting part, right? So BFRI, I'm gonna go back because we have been doing some day trading and swing trading on this one. Do not forget, I talked about BFRI a lot. I made lots of video. We went from $4 all the way to $14. We made money, right? So okay, so I will get rid of the lines because so many lines here, but today we were looking up around this area 5.8. We broke through, went up and coming down. So I will come back here, right? I will come back here. So what about just I just delete everything and make a fresh thing for you so you know what is happening. So first of all, I want to show you something that it was on a downtrend, right? So things were coming down, these things were coming down. Sorry, let me draw. Just stay with me. Sometimes I like drawing this kind of thing. So it was coming down on a downward trend, but it was narrowing, right? Narrowing. So at one point it's supposed to break, and today the news came, it broke. So this is one thing. So I'm gonna get rid of the lines, and I will move to hourly chart just to give you a better idea about the price. So if you look at the price overall, what you see here, it has a double top. Let's talk about $13-14, not a big deal. And also see the rejection here, 9.6 9.7 area. Why? It was a resistance here, then the resistance became support. When the support is broken, it became the new resistance. So 9.7 is a resistance, don't forget that. After that, I will add this area around 7.5. Again, it was a resistance around this area. Now it became a support. Now the support is broken, so when we go up, I think we will hit something around 7.5 as a resistance. And what about others? Maybe I'll just add one more line because we got rejected today, this area. So maybe I'm talking too fast. I'm excited. Okay, the next line is around 6.4. It was a support, it broke, so the support becomes resistance, right? So you got the idea about the levels. Maybe I'll just one more line here, right? You see how it is touching. That is why I'm just drawing the line and making a fresh chart for you so that you are not confused. And 4.9 is the bottom. Okay, so this is how it is looking like. And we are after hour. Definitely it's 5:51 p.m. Still we have more than 2 hours after hours. Then we will have pre-market, but you need to know about the levels. So if you want to play, how you can play, that's the most important thing. You can see that it hit 6.4, that's the resistance, and coming down. How far it can come down, that's the question. So I think it might come back to 5.75 area. Why, if you ask? This was a support, then it became a resistance. We broke through the resistance, we came below, but made this 5.75 as the new support. That is why I'm saying 5.75, 5.7, you know it, right? In case this is held strong, maybe it can come here, bounce and go up again. It will hit the resistance of 6.4 again. After 6.4, maybe something around $7. After 7, it has 7.5. In case the 5.75 is broken, this thing might have another pullback towards 5.1, 5.3 area. I'm not saying it will happen, but just based on the chart before that news, today it was trading around 5.3. So without the news, it was 5.3. That's my thing, right? So in case it comes to 5.3, good area, whenever you are entering, please use a stop loss. I do not want any bag holder. Just put a stop loss 10 cent 15 cent lower based on your own volatility acceptance level, but use a stop loss. This market is bad. Whenever you make a stop loss, you cut your losses early and you make some good gain. Look at RELI. Some of the trades we cut loss early today, like as a marine came down, we cut it, right? But that thing was up 26%. Some members made money on this one for 8%. So very important to use a stop loss. Do not forget about a stop loss. Okay, so exciting. I will see. If you're a Discord member, definitely I will update the chart after hours at the same time pre-market. So over our Discord, we do not talk about only one stock. In the video, I'm talking about only one stock, but over there, I give alert for like 6 7 different type of stock, and whenever something is moving in our general chat section, other members they bring place, so you will know like 15 20 stocks. So many things happening, it's so live, and people are making money. Just the example, like today, like when it moved, some member Ashik Bhai, he made something, he brought the information, and yeah, it popped, some people made money. Anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. At the same time, this is my Patreon link. I'm leaving the Patreon link in the description below and also in my first comment. So give a try, join my community. Let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.